Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuwiseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10,000 rand. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Aye, video leyi endleriwele ku hi ta vulavula hi mhaka ya ku why did I not react to swilo swa Mr Post na Benny Mayengani. I did react to Benny Mayengani, especially ka risimu leri a disa na Dr Stoll leri a nga bifa Dr Stoll. Leswi a ni nga swi endla a ni swi endla intentional. A ku nga xilo lexi ni nga xi endla ku ri xilo lexi nga ni phazamisa. Swi nga endleka swin'wana swilo ni phazamisa hi ku ya hi n'wina, but everything that is them, I did it intentional. Ni posted something on Facebook, and then someone commented, the way you are trying so hard to ignore talking about Mr Post, Mr Post buried your talent, your favorite, and what. And I'm sitting there and I'm like, I'm one person who's very honest with myself. No, I'm not honest with you, but with me, I'm very honest. Yeah. Jaime tu. My baba charu climb pacha danuna jeti. Oh, yeah, my name is Amukela Kam, the channel that matters. Ako ambukwata yay walava awulavi inazuku do yawen yemaneme amukela ka the only channel that matters to watch. Journalist I sungule ni Mr Post. Mr Post's marketing strategy was one of the greatest to have ever witnessed Kayena personally. He came up with something different, something unexpected from him, and he made fun. Like I can rap, man. Yes, yeah. And stuff. But you would pick up, he did his best as a creative. So you can give him 100 out of 100 in terms of marketing the album. Right. Xivangelo nkulu lexi nga endla ku ni nga react ka album ya yena Mr Post, I want to deal with him individually, and a swi swa mundzuku ni nge react. He came out and said something like a ni nga ri na nkarhi wa ku ni endla album ya mina, a ni vuya mapatu ni ku endleni ka mapatu, and then ni fanele ni ya recorda ni vuya ntirhweni ku panel beater, a ni fanele ni tlhela ni va na nkarhi wa ku se a ni nga ri na nkarhi wa enough to record this album. And then he struggled to release the album because a ya hi pace ya van'wana vanhu a twa nga ku va ta n'wi juda ya hi mina. Right, so he struggled to release an album, and then 2 days later, and then he also confirmed ku ri liyang album a ku ri ya DDP, so he developed a character called DDP. So with the album I think ima 2K ya DDP. Okay, fair enough, but it's still released under Mr Post, so fair enough, that's okay for me, right? He said Mr Post ita humesa hi December. That's motion of no confidence against this current album. Yeah, album. So you are all saying, no, this is not Mr Post, because people are very critical of it. People are very criticizing it. There are people who are very well invested to him and to listen to him. And then Africa, blah, blah, so fun. And then I was very busy with these two projects. I was very busy, to be quite honest with you. I'm not busy, so and byela loyi a nga le kusuhi na a joyina makhandli i swa nkoka ngopfu. And if you want to be a recruiter or you want to make money through vakhandli, ku hlangana na mina ka 076 566 1277. So what happened is people were angry loko album yi nga humi. That's a mismatch of the marketing. You would have probably went against Benny Mayengani or competed there at number one, but he didn't stay longer there. But also, if you look at Taylor Swift is the greatest brand, man. She makes billion views on YouTube. So it's not something you can saw someone that even if you want to take here locally in South Africa or nationally, you can say she's gonna compete with these ones. She had to more them. Right. So for me to invest my intellectual muscle to this craft that someone says, "Angar nankar," now I must go do research. What was happening here? I must listen to something angar nankar wasona. I know and like just J. Me, I must go do my proper research and then come to you. Vanhu vo tala who care less about the background stuff that we share with you. You want those things whatever is there is them. You don't want like insightful information. So I can't just come here and say, yo, album I missed the post ayib. You can hear it yourself. Look, ayimbelele ngaku mati ngaku oyile ayiphapama henhla ka mati ti beat loko a yimbelela hi leswiya loko a yimbelela hi oyile se a swi hlangani, like it's like swi chaye hi munhu un'wana sweswiya ku ya rhikhoda munhu un'wana sweswiya mixa swimastara wena hi munhu un'wanyana. You don't get like the way the voice ti nga cherisiwa xiswona u ze u ti vutisa swilo swo tala what was cooking oil kumbe leswo dyoha kumbe njhani na, but you get worried and you want me to go song by song, criticize, comment on it. I don't have that time anymore. Time has passed and now I don't and then come here and speak nonsense about them. Like there's nothing that needs to be analyzed on Album Mr. Post. Absolutely nothing. Like you're just making some guy and then now must come analyze you're mimicking someone else. And that's how things are. You get to Benny Mayengani and surprisingly so he shares 8 songs. Okay, that's not an album, that's an EP. What Dr. Joe Awakona there, you get weak beats and you listen to the content that Benny Mayengani like utandidlayiza yafana magic if you know Benny Mayengani. Like look at that Bamalamba you came back and did Chihawa. Nogulani ninteleshiha tundundu ni adlanyo na mwanangu. Problem na Joe. And me, like I must invest my time. Good Benny Mayengani used to read. Fama ingselar simrofana yari lanka. In that album Malamba, you utasifuna umuntu ahlaya. Benny Mayengani doesn't read anymore. Benny Mayengani has lost passion for music. It's like, you know, when you start something from the scratch, you know, when I started YouTube, from when I was starting YouTube, I was very passionate. I had the energy for it. Like you would tell, as much as you would criticize me about what else, but you will tell this guy love this thing. But you get to a point where you need to balance the two. You need money out of it. Then the passion fades away. That's what happened. Benny Mayengani, whatever he's saying, they're nothing. Like if you listen even to this track here, Dr. Stolle is weak. It's the weakest of them all. From his diss tracks, like you are just playing, James. It's very weak. You listen to the content, you can tell there is nothing that needs analysis there. There's nothing that needs an inside information where you might even need to poke inside or you get someone to come explain what does this mean, or you might even call your teachers. I used to do that when I was in 2020 when I did Malambal. Something like that. I had to ask someone. I had to ask it. I would ask and they give us wrong information. I remember I once said something incorrect on YouTube about when I reviewed album Mia Malamba, and then little did I know the teacher didn't know. I won't mention her name, but it's a female. She was my teacher either in Matemo High School or Manyangana High School, so you will know. I won't tell you the grade, but you get to see Benny Mayangani has lost patch. He even tells you, I'm music, there is nothing. What must I come here? Need to analyze Benny Mayangani and music and the like me, the whole of me. Come here, say, yeah, he makes music so that he can make money. Kuyendlela ndlala ngwana sesakana cha ngibesho bana balakudya vatuva va la kudya le xitiri ntirho wa xona se vana va la ku hlayisiwa yindlu ya hela na yona yi fanele yi hela yi va complete. So my main reasons for these things ku ni nga endlanga ti-reactions ta swona is lack of passion, no content offered, weak instrument. Now I'm reacting, but like it doesn't inspire me to to want to speak about it. I didn't get that oomph. There was a time we wanted views because we know when it drops, I will get views and make money. That stage has passed. I only do content that I feel like it's useful. By the way, I always wanted to speak about this thing you have a pencil. I gonna a Bushback Ridge show that was partly funded by MLFM. Let me tell you something. If you are a hustler out there, you're an artist, don't abuse us that when you're an artist, laptop, and then all of a sudden you must make noise to us and then you must be booed everywhere because it's a maspal. The best thing to complain from Maspal, tell your municipality to build a studio in Tulamahash and then allow ordinary public people, ordinary citizens of that municipality to come and record for free, but they must have schedule and then they will get their work later. That's what you must cry for. Because you record a song with Takem. Someone does not even have a hit. Someone does not even have a song that has 1,000 views. I'm not talking about 10,000, 1,000. But he's busy crying and making noise. Go Pensela Fanang booking. He also wants to make money. He's also spending money. It's not the municipality's thing alone. You ought to understand that. But you refuse to do so. Those people of inviting a lot of artists, that was never their wish. They realize that people are making noise, that campaigning their event. So they had to squeeze you all of it into the poster and then pay those ones that they wanted.
Aye, this is an open letter to Mr. Post, the BIG Hosingove, aka Daddy P, from a consent diehard fan, London Grovist, ka TikTok. Mr. Post, lekutweni ka kubaba ngopfu ku fana na ti-fans letin'wanyana lero le ka point leya ku na pain a na ha yitwa I am numb lero se ni swimmer inside the pain so a na ha yitwi no yitwa yabo. Xo sungula lexi nga ni vavisa ku fana na munhu un'wana na un'wana i ku va album yi nga humangi, but ni vi ni swi twisa ku ri ti-challenges munhu un'wana na un'wana u hlangana na tona a nga ti planangi, mara lexi nga fika xi ni vavisa ku tlula swilo hinkwaswo i life leyi a mi nga yi endla tolo. Ededi mi fike mi vula marito man'wana laha ni nga ka ni nga ma quote exactly, mara mi fike mi vula marito man'wana ma ku a mi ri busy ngopfu hi swa tidraka a mi nga ta swi kota ku focus-a ka swa music. Marito malama a ma basangi ngopfungopfu ka hina ti-fans ta n'wina Mr. Post, especially loko hi langutisa laha hi humaka kona. Mr. Post, mina ni vi na n'wina ka village ya hala kaya na ku ri mina ntsena loyi a ni favor music wa n'wina. A hi tshama swiphazeni as majita loko ku huma music wa Limpopo Poison ku huma na wa n'wina a va ta ni hleka vanhu hinkwavo, mara ni yima ni ku leti daka ngove i dya mina. Ene Mr. Post ni proud ngopfu hi laha namuntlha mi nga fika kona n'wina ka sweswi mi ka level liya ya khale ya vaxinyori leya ku lova ku xinyori wa humesa ku nga tleriwi hi le level leyi mi nge le ka yona sweswi a hi tleli as your fans and ku nga ri hina ntsena na valavaya a va tleli va lava ku twa ku mi humesini. So loko album yi fika yi nga humi hi Mr. Post ka siku leri mi nga hi tshembisa rona swi fika swi yi khomisa tingana. The worst part ka lembe leri Mr. Post mi yi mi ya pfuka munhu mi n'wi challenge mi ku ni lava ku hi humesa hi siku rin'we a nga challenge n'wina mi lo n'wi landza hi Mr Post. Siku leri mi ri vekini mi tlhela mi ri tiva tin'hweti ndzhaku. So ni fike ni hlamala loko mi fika mi ku n'wina swilo a swi approve-wangi ku ri ku swilo leswi mi swi tivaka ku ri ku na ku yima ti-3 days ti-4 days, which means swilo swa fambi swi endleni in time because n'wina mi nga challenge mi tlhela mi veka na siku. So Daddy mi hi hlekisa hi vanhu lava va nga yi hleki. Mi yisa lomu nga n'wi challenge u tala ku vula marito mo n'wina mi nge n'wi tluli hi nchumu. Ene ni byeleni ku loko mi n'wi challenge hi pela mi tlhela mi fika mi feyila ka challenge leyi n'wina mi ngo yi veka hi yexe, u vhela tibachi for a ku ni vulini ku ri loyi a nge ni tluli hi nchumu, and na a hi swi tive Mr Post ku se fa hi mi lwela yini. Obviously Mr Post mina na swi tiva ku loko a yi lo huma album a hi winini, na sweswi hi ta ya wina siku yi nga ta huma hi rona, but a ni lavi leswa swa ku hi endlisa xihlekisi hi vanhu lava va nga hi hleki evuton'wini hikuva hi fika hi va pfuka hi tlhela hi tsandzeka hi Mr Post. So leswi marito lama nga ma vula ma ku n'wina mi nga ta swi kota focus ka music, swi fika ka hina ti-fans ta n'wina as if a mi hi teki serious. As much as le a mi endla mali ya Mr Post and hina ha tsaka loko mi vona kha mi endla mali, mara mi fanele mi hleketa ku na ti-fans leti sukaka kule na n'wina. Loko mi ti disappoint hina van'wana no dya a hi dyi loko a mi nga swi tivi Mr Post, and a ni titwi nandzu and ni nge pfuki ni titwi nandzu mina a ni dyi loko n'wina mi ni disappoint. So hi twi ku vava tolo ngopfu hi Mr Post leswi mi nga swi endla, especially laka ku tsandzeka ku fikelela challenge loyi mi ngo loyi endla. Mi yisa luya u ta ya mahlweni a hi nyaza a nyaza na n'wina tanihi ntlambi ya hina, and a swi hi tsakisi, and sweswi se ku ta ku ri swilo leswi hina hi n'wi nyikaka matimba ma swi vona nyana he Daddy. So hi twa ku vava, mara sweswi mi nga vula tolo mi ku hosi ya rindzeriwa hi ta rindza, but with all due respect Mr Post hi kombela ku leswi mi nga swi endlela swona swi nga ha phindi, especially loko mi vekela challenge na mi yisa luya. Hi lexi mina ni mi kombelaka xona xexo, mara lexi ni lavaka ku mi tshembisa xona hi Mr Post, hambiloko yona na yini mina ni ta tshama ni ri fan ya n'wina, and na swi tiva ku album leyi taka yi ya ku timeni hinkwaswo, mara a hi lavi ku yi swi tima hi siku reriya. Hayi ni ta vuyela hansi hosi ya mina, hi ta tshama hi mi rindzerile tanihi malandza ma n'wina. Danko.